And today we are starting with measuring length using centimeters. I went around the house and I grabbed a couple things that I thought might be fun to measure. Here they are, take a look. I've got this screw here, left over from when I was doing some renovations in our master bathroom. Grabbed a fork out of the kitchen and don't tell Sky, but I got her phone. She might come yelling and screaming and looking for it any minute, but until then, I'm going to use it for my measurement activity. All right, I also have a couple of measurement tools. I have my smaller ruler, a longer ruler, and a measuring tape. This comes in really handy when I'm measuring things around the house that are a little bit longer. Might not use that today, but might use it in a future video. For today, let's take a look at using one of our rulers here. Now, here's the shorter ruler. If you look closely, you can see that it has numbers all the way down the side. Now, I'm sure you're familiar with rulers and the fact that they have numbers on the side. But if you notice, there's numbers on both sides. The side where the numbers are a little bit closer together is the centimeter side, and that will be marked with a cm. That's the side I want to use because we're measuring in centimeters today. Also, you want to check your measuring device or tool and check to see if it has a zero line. In other words, we start measuring from this line, not from the edge of the ruler. If we were to measure it from the edge of the ruler, we'd actually be inaccurate in our measurement. So let's start by measuring this screw here. How long do you think that is? What would be your estimate? I'm not exactly sure what it is, but I would guess that it's somewhere around 7 centimeters. Was that what your guess was? All right, let's check and see exactly how long this screw is. I'll line the screw up right with the zero line. Be as accurate as I can. And then I'm going to look all the way down the length and see exactly where that screw comes out. Now, it looks like that screw is somewhere between 7 and 8 centimeters long. Is it closer to 7 or is it closer to 8 centimeters? Let's look closely. It looks to me that that is closer to 8 centimeters than to 7. So for the purpose of our measurement today, we're going to say that this screw is about 8 centimeters long, or it's 8 centimeters when measuring to the nearest centimeter. Okay? So we want to find the measurement of the item to the closest centimeter. That's going to be your job today when you play this activity around your house. All right, let's take a look at this fork. I'll move the fork in. Again, I want to do the exact same thing. I want to line it right up on that zero line. Be as accurate as I can. Perfect. Now I'm going to move all the way down to see where the... Oh no! My ruler's not long enough. What am I going to do? What would you do? Joseph, what would you do? Lila? Any ideas? No? Oh yeah, Zoe, I'm sure you have an idea or two. All right, well, here's what I'm going to do. I can see that my ruler is 15 centimeters long, right to there. So I'll mark my 15 centimeter point. Then I can move the ruler down, line it up again, right on that zero line, being as accurate as I can, and see that it goes about another 3 centimeters. So 15 centimeters plus 3 more centimeters tells me that that fork is 18 centimeters when measured to the closest centimeter. Now, let's just confirm that measurement by using my longer ruler. Put that down, make sure I'm using the centimeter side, line up that zero line, and move down the ruler. And yep, we're right there. That fork is definitely 18 centimeters when measured to the nearest centimeter. Okay, I think maybe we'll skip this guy's phone for today. All right, we'll measure that another day. Here's your job. Go around your house, find 5 things that you think you'd like to measure them, and record those results in a table or a chart of some sort. When you're done, take a picture of it, post it to Edsby. I'm looking forward to seeing your work. Have fun. And when you're done, you can do extra practice in your notebook or your textbook. Check that out on Edsby as well. I posted it for you. Okay? Have fun measuring. I'll see you tomorrow.